Howdy people, welcome back to the next episode of This Is My Life. This piece of metal right here, square tube, it goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. I think it's 18-20 feet. But this project starts somewhere between boredom and necessity. So let's see what we can turn this into. 3, 2, 1, let's go. First thing we need to do is actually figure out how long it is. This tape measure is about broken in half. I'll need a new one of these. Just tearing it right there. Yeah, really need a new one of these. But I think we want something 5.5, 6 feet. 5.5. So this is basically the layout we're looking for. The feet on the bottom. And then here, little standoffs where you can lean against the wall without damaging the wall. So that is what we're going to try to put together. For the record, I am not a professional welder. And this right here, I'm just trying to learn and a little bit. But wish me luck. So we're starting off with this tack welding all the joints just to get everything right, and then we'll come back and hit it all again. I have this other side marked, and I'm using a speed square on here just to make sure that the left and right side are both squared up. And this metal they have here is so thin that it's hard to lay down a bead and not burn through the actual material itself. So it's challenging. Okay, so this is the ladder. Turn around and take a look at it. I'm going to weld it up. I've still got more to do. To flip it over. I got to do the insides on all these, so there's still some work to do, so let's get back to it. I think it works. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Like, subscribe, share, any of those things help me help the channel. Thanks. Take care. Bye.